power, speed, and comfort. Gear Shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today, we find out together which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 4, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. In fourth place is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, valued at roughly $17 million. Built in extremely limited numbers, this Italian masterpiece showcases Pagani's obsession with craftsmanship, lightweight materials, and artistic engineering. Number 5, SP Automotive Chaos, $14.4 million. In fifth place, we have the SP Automotive Chaos, priced at about $14.4 million. This hypercar pushes boundaries with advanced engineering, extensive use of 3D printed components, and performance figures designed to rival the biggest names in the industry. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.